Was that Red Hot Chili Peppers? That's supposed to be. Waves are here to snorkel, but we can snorkel.
Oh, you went for it.
Hey, boom! Go back there. Day 6, start of day 6. We're at the Longboard Club getting free breakfast. Well, we paid for it. Paid breakfast. And started another day. It looks nice there now. It's supposed to get cloudy this afternoon, but we're going to have another beach day and enjoy. Recover. We are recovering right now.
My time. Messed me up.
Little tipsy, more tipsy last night. Mai Tais. They did it.
There was just one Mai Tai.
Yeah. All right, we just blew up these bad boys. These are the chairs that you can sit in. And we just float around in the ocean. Good investment. I think on Amazon you can get it for like what, $30? He's just blowing hers up. But we are about to hit the beach again. And we're gonna give these are real days. The flowers are real. We had them in the refrigerator. But we're gonna give them to the surfer statue guy. I don't know his name. Duke? I think his name's Duke. We're gonna give them to him when we go out to the beach here. So we're heading out. And we're gonna go float right down that deep spot right there. Between that reef and that coral, that deep spot. Dangle our feet down there so we can attract the sharks. But yeah, all right. And then we have to check out of this place and check into the Marriott, which is right over there. All right, I think we're ready. So this is ABC store, right connected to our hotel here. And we're gonna go get a high noon. Yeah. Huh? We got them for $4 at the I'm still shaking. $2 for $9. Wow, that's expensive, but I'll take a pineapple. Yeah, you could get one. Mango? Passion fruit. Let's do it. Donated to the cause. Your turn. No, it's okay. We're just donating.
I need your help then.
Brings us good luck, maybe.
All right, we are floating in our little floaties
In the Pacific.
in the Pacific with Waikiki in the background over there. There's Diamond Head. She's in like a villain. Are you having a good time, baby?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Now I got you. Michael is trying to snorkel. Anything?
All right. We just finished the beach, and now we are ready for Look at Isa.
Wait.
Very Hawaiianish.
Hawaiianish.
Hawaiianish. We're both Hawaiianish. Look. So we are heading out to get some food, and then walk over across the street, see if we can check in yet.
Yep.
And then we gotta come back over here and do some work because we have a bunch of luggage and shit that we have to haul across the street.
That's correct.
But let's go get some food right now. See y'all in a bit. All right, trying a new beer. Hola Brew. Why does Isa got a big beer and I got a little beer? Can you let me know, like, is that right?
Yeah.
All right, so we ordered the ahi tuna poke nachos. They look good.
I'm about to devour.
About to devour this?
Yeah. That was good.
Yeah, it does. They are like $25, $30, something like that. You think so? There's a little spice to it? All right. There's avocado on there too? Okay.
How is it?
I like that. That's pretty good.
Told you.
Yeah. Results. Results. Look at all these orchids. We're trying to check in the Marriott right now. These are nice orchids. All of these are real orchids. It's pretty cool. And we're about to go check in. Okay, we just checked into the Marriott. This is the room. They have a area right here. Probably a mini fridge. I don't know, we have to check. Let me check this out. The bathroom. Okay. Nice and spacious. And then you want to go open that balcony there, baby? I can literally see the room we just checked out of. Because the room we just checked out of was like right up there. And now we're in a different hotel. But we have a nice ocean view now.
Oh, this would be a wonderful sunset.
Yeah. We got a good sunset view, but let's see if these clouds go away for the sunset.
It might.
But this room ain't bad.
This room is nice. I like this.
Yeah. Okay. Back in our other room. But now I can tell, like, so this tower right here, they're working on balconies and stuff. It's this tower right here that they put us in. So just a little bit farther away from the beach, but that's fine. I do see rain out there. You see that? Yeah, there's rain out there.
All right, so we just checked out. Look at this tourist.
This is how you move from hotel to hotel.
We're moving to the next one, our next tourist. We are leaving the Alohilani Resort to go to Marriott. See you out there. Michael's walking the streets with our floaties and 2 luggages.
too bad, actually.
No, it's just half a block.
Not too bad. How are you doing?
Look at this tourist.
There we go. All right, here we are at our new place, Marriott. I got this room for free with all the stays I had last year. Wasn't bad. I had to pay the $55 resort fee, but hey, it's like almost $300 a night here. Maybe 400, yeah. We're here in off season, and it turned out to be not so good of a night. Should be a nice sunset tonight, but we are now seeing clouds and rain on the mountains over there. But we can't complain. We really can't complain. We've had great weather the whole time. Tomorrow is supposed to be fantastic, and we don't fly out until almost 10 o'clock at night, so
We are probably gonna go catamaraning.
yeah, I'm gonna go look to see how much this catamaran is, and we'll go out and do a catamaran cruise for an hour and a half and have some cocktails while we look at Oahu and Waikiki. So, fun times. One more day after this.
Yeah, and then we go to shit weather.
Yeah. We overpacked, by the way. Way overpacked. We haven't wore anything that we packed. We've just been wearing beach attire, so. All right, we're heading out. Maui Brewing Company. We're gonna go try this out. And it's got a happy hour, so we have to hike a half mile in the next 30 minutes to catch happy hour. All right? Let's do it. Everything's wet now because it just rained. You think? Let's go. It says walk. Yeah. It's down this way like half a mile. Okay. We've made it. Maui Brewing Company. We're heading in. It's a lot of stairs to go up here. I'm getting dizzy. I have no idea. Really? And we made it finally.
So I am about to give Michael some hand sanitizer because he saw bird shit on the seat and he touched it.
I didn't know it was bird shit.
What did it look like?
Huh?
What did it look like?
No, it almost looked like it was part of the chair. I don't know.
Okay.
But I touched it and it was bird shit. Idiot.
Oh god.
That's a good way to start Maui Brewing Company.
Yep. So now we're here. We just got seated. The rain just stopped.
Kinda, sorta.
Kinda sorta, but it looks nice out here. It's got a little humid, actually. This bird is like actually going at it.
No, he is going at it. He's like, holy shit.
He must have been like, holy shit.
I got the whole plate to myself. Look at this jackass.
So much food, I don't know what the hell to do. I don't know which one to try. Okay, let me turn around. Okay, come on.
Nobody's coming? Alright, let me try this one.
Oh, I don't know what the hell to do. I'm so hungry, bro. I want to eat this and I want to eat that too.
He even took a shit on the table. See that? He dropped a deuce on the table, man. Now look at these little birds. Little birds are coming.
This dude is greedy as hell, man. Where are you going, bro?
Alright, Isa got the pineapple mana wheat, and I got the sunshine girl. Sunshine girl, pineapple. Let's go ahead and give it a try.
This doesn't taste like pineapple at all.
This is not pineapple at all?
No.
Uh-oh.
It just tastes like a regular ass beer. It tastes like gloomy.
Oh.
No. But what is even a pineapple wheat?
I don't know.
Try yours.
Alright. Sunshine Girl, light and refreshing golden ale with tropical and citrus hop. Well, that's not bad. You might like this one.
Yeah?
Yeah? The swap.
Let's swap it.
Alright, I'm gonna try this one now. There's pineapple in this.
Is there really?
Yeah. You can tell it's pineapple.
Or the both taste the same, almost.
She's had so much beer that she can't even figure out.
Hey, that was good. Mike got this shirt on right now. And I just told him that his eye literally matches. Look at me, baby. Look, that's his eye color. That's his shirt color. And you see the resemblance, guys?
You're telling me my eyes are serious green right now?
It is.
Oh, nice.
It's like very light green, yeah. Yeah.
Like the color of the palm trees?
Yeah.
Alright, food came out. Truffle fries, pizza. We just got an email saying our Vegas tickets got cheaper. So,
What the hell?
you okay? So we're trying to get cancel our other tickets and get cheaper tickets for Vegas. Yep.
So I asked for some of these posters.
Yeah.
And you got me a variety of.
He gave you so many coasters, you don't know what to do with them.
I'll give it away.
Yeah. They're all different Maui Brewing Company coasters, yeah.
That's cool.
Yep. What's the other one? Oh, yeah. Now try this pizza. Grab that plate over there. It's not terrible. It's no Italian pizza, okay? Straight from Rome. But take a bite. Take a bite of that. It's okay. What do you think? It's not spectacular, but does the job, right? All right. Randomly upgraded to first class. Good.
How's your food?
I like the truffle fries. These remind me a little bit of
The Gordon Birch?
Gordon Birch underneath our last
Yeah.
apartment. Oh man, those fries, we went there just for their garlic truffle fries.
Yep.
They were awesome. I'm gonna try this one.
The pizza is not like thin crust like how we like, but
Sausage though.
it's decent. I feel like it's a little bit on the saltier side. Okay. But I think your bar is like really high because we ate pizza
Yeah.
where it was born.
This one is like a 5 out of 10 scale, where I gave the Italian one like
8.2.
actually I lowballed that.
Yeah, you did.
That should actually have
It
been
was like 9.8.
at least almost a 10. Yeah.
It was a
I messed
9.8,
that
man.
whole rating up. That is at least 9.8.
Yeah.
This is like 5.
Oh, I do hear a crunch somewhere. I feel like it's a little bit salty though.
This is Waikiki. Look at these kids. They set up a slide down into the ocean. These crazies. Look at this guy. Just finished our Maui Brewing Company adventure. And watched some little kids, little Hawaiian kids, make a slide going down into the ocean. Now we're heading back to our room to get a beer. I still have a couple beers I have to drink. I booked a catamaran for tomorrow. It's an hour-and-a-half sail out here. And, oh, look at this guy. Prince Jonah, Puhuia, Kalaniano. Something like that. Good? Kalaniano. Ah. But no, the catamaran, it's whale season, so we might be able to see a whale, is what they said. So, on the reviews. And they have drinks. And that's from 3 to 4:30. After that, we'll go back to our room. Or not room, because we have to check out in the morning. We'll go back, change clothes. The bell desk is going to hold our luggage for us for free, which is good. Just got to tip them. And then we'll head to the airport. We'll catch an Uber to the airport. We have a flight late tomorrow night. So we're not going to let that waste our day. So let's go get a drink at the room.
Sunset.
Look at this.
Oh my goodness. So beautiful. Oh no. Shaka.
We're both wearing sunglasses. Put your sunglasses on your forehead. On your eyes. The sunset is so bright right now. We have a little rail right here.
We did get a perfect view, a beeline. Yeah.
Check it out. That's why we're like golden right now. Enjoying the sunset.
I think this is where they got the postcard photos from.
Who did?
I don't know, postcard people.
Postcard people got the hell yeah.
Yeah.
Every day in Hawaii they get
Look at
nice
this, man.
sunsets.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
Got some tunes going on. Vibing.
You can't just be sad over here, man.
No.
You're going to be happy. Regardless of what the hell you're doing over here.
We had a good vacation.
Yeah. We're going to get a beautiful sunset.
Yeah, that's good. That last sunset.
That sunset might have been the best sunset I've ever witnessed.
Out of 10.
And I've been
10 out of 10.
It's like 15 out of 10. Dude.
15 out of 10.
And I've been to so many different sunsets.
Yeah.
Like I chased the sunrises and I chased the sunsets. Dude, that shit is.
I've seen like probably thousands of sunsets in my life.
Yeah.
Being on the ocean all the
Tell me that
time.
wasn't good.
That had to have been one of the best.
Yeah.
Because it was so cloudy.
Yeah.
And then we didn't even think we were going to get a sunset. And then it ducked down, and then all of a sudden it cleared the clouds, and then it just lit up the clouds. Yeah, it was pretty sweet. That was good. Yeah.
We've been getting so lucky. We might as well go buy our.
We need to buy a lottery ticket? Yeah. We feel like we're getting lucky. We're still out here. Sun is down.
But it's still pretty out there.
Oh yeah, and we still got beer. And it's probably in the mid 70s.
Yep.
I don't think it gets below 70 degrees here in Hawaii.
Probably not.
And it's just a gorgeous night. Just a gorgeous night, and we are enjoying it. We got some tunes on. All right, we are signing off for tonight. Officially signing off. He's just feeling it now. I thought we were signing off, but look at it. Oh, wait. Feeling it. We didn't go to bed. To be continued. Day 6. You thought it was over. It ain't over. We went out. We're at the restaurant. And we are getting some cocktails. We are getting the Oahu Cooler and the, what is that called? Grace and Grit for you. And we're getting some fish tacos because we got a little hungry. And then we're going to go to bed. So, we'll see you in a bit.
Still early.
Yeah.
Alright, folks, we got some drinks.
Actually, yours is looks pretty good.
You always like my drink.
We can share.
What'd you get?
I don't know, but look at my flower. Oh, I got 2 drinks actually. I'm double. Can I drink them both at the same time, you think?
No,
Not just.
it's gonna taste like shit.
Okay.
Drink one and pick one.
Alright, hold on. Let me put a little bit of this in there. Alright, wait a minute. Oh, that's pretty damn good. That's really good. You want me to try yours?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yours is better.
Yours is better.
I knew it.
Yours is better.
I knew it.
Because it's more. It's like fruity. It's fruity.
Yeah.
Oh, she's gonna like this, folks.
Folks, baby, I don't like fruity drinks. Remember?
Oh, you're gonna like that.
Oh, this is like pina colada.
Yeah, but it's.
Oh, this is really good.
I told you, and I'll take mine. Mine's not bad either. It's just different. Yeah, you like
That one's better.
Yeah, I told you.
Well, I'll give you this one.
What?
I love you.
No. We'll share. Give me mine back. Don't kill. She almost dropped my whole drink.
Don't waste it. Don't waste it.
Was that Red Hot Chili Peppers? That's supposed to be Hawaiian music.
It's just some regular guitar.
Is that Red Hot Chili Peppers?
No.
Play some Bob Marley.
I have nails. I can't. Okay, here.
Really?
Oh.
That sound good, man. That sound good.
I can't.
I got my own hula dancer here. Hula! Hula! So beautiful. La la. Good night from day 6. See you tomorrow.